What's up mga Bibe? Welcome again sa another vlog. So I'm just gonna share lang guys all the vlogging gears that I have. And also I'm gonna make a small or a brief review lang of each of the gears. Like for example the new camera that we have. Actually it's Chinkitita's camera. And yeah, and I started like kinda naglibog, diba? It's a DSLR camera. It's Canon 200D. Actually, I bought it as a gift. Christmas gift po to, Bibe? Yeah, I bought it as a Christmas gift for her. For her. Di, maglibog dyan ko na mga photo. Sablay. Mga on, in. It's her backup camera guys for sit down videos, but later on I've decided that I could use this now since I already started vlogging. Wow! Bibe! Katawanin mo.
Ikaw. Wala rin.
Yeah, so don't mind the storbo at the background. So nawala na nung ko. So since I've started vlogging na guys, and I use the GoPro Hero 6 as my starter vlogging cam, or the main vlogging cam, but as I've been using it for so on and so sa mukha, oy kapuyan eh. Especially in low light or kanang mga gabi na guys, at night, no, the quality is not that really good. It's like a cell phone quality video like that, no. So but in daylight GoPro is really nice. It's very superb. It has superb quality. Wow. Yeah, and especially if you go to beaches, like under basta ay kapuya. So later today I'm gonna make a review. Bibi daghanan ako istorya oy. So later guys, I'm gonna make a review. I'm gonna show you all the gears that I have to help me in my journey, as a vlogger. Wow. Travel vlogger, daily vlogger, and yeah. So yeah, this is the Canon 200D. Yan. We got the white version guys, and we also have this attached, the Rode Video Micro. So shout out to Jeremy kasi binigay niya sa amin itong microphone na to. So this Canon 200D guys, it comes with a kit lens of 18 to 55 millimeters. So guys, this is the video from the Canon 200D. So using the 18 to 55 millimeters kit lens. So this is the widest angle on the kit lens, 18 millimeters. So if you're gonna go to 55 millimeters, wow, it's gonna be like this. So now I'm extending my arms like that, no, 100%. So yan, kitang-kita yung mga pores saka yung braces. The widest angle is 18 millimeters. So it's like that. Yeah, looks good, but then it's very kapoy in the arms guys. It's gonna hold your camera like that in order to get good frames. So the DSLR is very heavy. So you have to really switch arms left, right while vlogging. It's very kapoy. So with that guys, I decided to buy a new lens for me to really use this as a vlogging camera, because for me this lens doesn't work for me as a vlogging camera because the widest angle is not enough, no, for vlogging. So with that problem guys, I've decided to buy a new lens, which is a wide angle lens, and that is the 10 to 18 millimeters Canon lens, no, with image stabilizer. So I'm gonna try this on guys, and let's compare. So I'm gonna switch the lens. This is now the 10 to 18 millimeters wide angle lens on the 200D. So now I'm gonna test this out, how it's gonna look like, and when you're gonna test out how it's gonna look like if we're gonna try to record a video, Okay. So yun, this is the 18 millimeter, and if you're gonna change the zoom, This is the widest it can get, guys. So take a look at that, how wide it is. Wow! It's now at 10 millimeters. You can see all the backgrounds. It doesn't make you really kind of get tired, you know, in holding your DSLR, because you just bend your arms like this. Wow! Yeah, like that. You can do the talking and everything and all those crazy stuff. Yeah. Okay. And also, if you're gonna put a tripod or a gorilla pod, especially if you set up your camera like this now with this angle, so you can just hold your camera like that, and as you can see, it is framed well, and then your arms is really rest on your Hero, this side of your body, so you won't get tired easily. So you can do vlog like that. Hey, what's up, mga baby? So guys, I'm gonna continue my vlog later, so my reviews on the other gears. We're gonna talk about the DJI Spark later. And we gotta go now, guys. We gotta go with Chiquitita and Jeremy because we're gonna go to our CrossFit session. No, road to YouTube body look, char. YouTuber body look, char. So see you later, guys. Bye. Love you. So yan guys, we are here now at the CrossFit gym. So that's the one at the background right there. Ano na ngayon guys, it's 5 PM. And yeah, this is the video quality of two cameras outdoor. Later it's gonna be darker, so we're gonna check the quality of both in low light. This is the Canon 200D and this is the HERO6.
Just jog around the box, 4 rounds lang. Jog around the box and then stretching to the mind. Then you get back and then I'll tell you the workout. Okay?
I'm gonna jog for 4 rounds, guys. Just around the gym. Yeah.
What is silence? Alright, see you guys.
So yun guys, we just finished our kinda CrossFit session. We are now here in IT Park, guys, in Kuan. Here in Turks. You know the Tindero or the Tendera in Turks is not yet here. No, it's very late. Very late, guys. So we're just waiting for the one because they changed shift now. So the next shift has not yet arrived. 7:30. It's now like it's 8 PM na. I'm going to compare the video quality of the Canon 200D in low light, so compared to GoPro Hero6. This is the quality of the Canon 200D. Yan. In low light, and this is GoPro Hero6. Yeah, so you can see the difference. Guys, now we are back now here in our review. I've shown you sample shots of the Canon 200D in our CrossFit session, and I was able also to compare the two video qualities of these two cameras here. I compared the quality in low light. So yeah, and also the stabilization. So I should say that the Canon really stands out in terms of video quality. In terms of stabilization, of course, GoPro Hero6 is the winner. It's very stabilized. Wow. With a problem with the stabilization, guys, there's a trick to that to fix it. You know, in Adobe Premiere Pro, there's an effects there that you can use to really stabilize your shot. Yeah, soon I'm gonna make a tutorial video in Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm gonna teach you the basic skills, or yeah, basic tutorial for So soon guys, I'm gonna make a video tutorial.
A few moments later.
So soon guys, I'm gonna make a video tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro.
12 seconds later.
So soon guys, I'm gonna teach you how to
3 weeks later.
So soon guys, I'm gonna teach you a basic tutorial on how to use Adobe Premiere Pro to get you started to become a vlogger, you know. I'm gonna teach you the basic tools and functions and features of Adobe Premiere Pro so that you can get started and make your own video and vlogs, and upload it to YouTube. Sorry.
Meanwhile.
So for now, stabilization is really good on GoPro Hero 6, but then in low light it's not really good, but in daylight it's very nice, you know. You can use this as you can still use this as your daily vlogging cam, especially when you go outside. You don't want to carry a heavy. This camera is very heavy, and you just want to be very So guys, you can still use this as a daily. It's still good at Ay, kapuya.
Many months later.
For this one, it's really the best thing that I. Hay nako.
8:01 p.m.
So for the DSLR guys, it's really a good camera if you really want to be it's like Bibe, magsuwat akong script na okay.
12 o'clock midnight.
If you want to be really a good vlogger and you want to produce a really high quality video, you should really get this, you know. You should really get a camera like this which can really produce high quality videos. For me, I'm good at for me, I'm good.
2,000 years later.
But for me guys, really I want this to be as my main vlogging camera as of now, no? Starting now. Wow. Because I wanna look like a professional vlogger.
I wanna look like.
Because I wanna look like I wanna look like a professional. Because I look like a professional vlogger with this, you know. With this camera, and then you got this Gorilla Pad and a really nice lens, long lens, and you got this very fancy microphone right here. Shout out to Jeremy. Thank you for the sponsor of this. So if you want to produce a really high quality video, you should, and you want to really if you want to make a vlogging something. If you want to make the vlogging as your Asa pagsulti, you know, you get my thought.
1 eternity later.
It's not cheap guys, it's very expensive to have this kind of gears, but then it's an investment if you really want to if you want to become a vlogger as your career path. Sakto. Especially if you want vlogging as your career path. Fat. Especially guys, if you want vlogging as your career move or career path ba? Sakto. Basta yun guys, you get the point guys. It's very hard to mix all the words in my mind. So bear with me guys, I'm new, I'm so noob, no? So that's a good thing guys that I make mistakes, because that's the fun part there. Because if I become very master na in English guys, it will become boring na guys, no, diba? Diba, Bibe? So it's a good thing that you make mistakes sometimes, because that's how other people get entertained. Yeah, okay.
Eventually.
So the next gear that I want to introduce to you guys right now, right here in our place, is my newly acquired gear. Is this one right here. So this is the DJI Spark. DJI Spark. Masulti tawag DJI GoPro Spark yata.